Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. OCGN, Ocgn, is one of the stock that I traded 3 years ago. And I have made videos in past about this stock and some breakout points and some selling points on the OCGN and and I did mention it that we will have a major pullback, right? So I'm sure none of you guys wanted to hear that. I didn't cover this stock for quite a while, over 2 years now, because I've been watching. I've been patiently watching to go invest and reinvest in this company back again, where we had this. This is my 5 year chart that I'm showing you guys, folks. And I'll attach my previous video, which is 2 years ago, kind of see where we were, what we were talking about. But I'm back. I am back on trading in this stock again because I like what I see and what is, has been potential. A roller coaster ride for past 2 years with this stock, but now it is gaining some momentums. But before I talk on the technical side, hey folks, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. I'm back. I'm going to be doing my weekly video on OCGN, ticker symbol, Ocgn, and I'm going to share in and out with the news, the breaking news, what's going on with this company, where we heading, what's a technical analysis on the chart. Earnings is back in March. I'm going to cover that. So stay tuned for more updates. So please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. As we know that on the 24th, that the OCGN price was raised from $7 from 5 to $7. So that was a big up movement on that, right? So that's once a price target raises, something is brewing up, right? And you can clearly says that it is a even everywhere you can go on this find research on that. You can clearly see that it's a moderate buy still. There's only one rating on that. That's something that kind of still was holding because there's only one analysis was basing. Everything is seven low, high average is every $7, right? So we are trading below $1 right now, right? So this is the time to be looking at it. What it will be then upside, right? If this goes to $7, that's about 1,993.66% uptrend on that. Sorry, yeah, an average uptrend on the percentage wise, right? It's will be big gains, right? And I'm sure it is looking that way. So this is my 5 year chart, folks, and that's why I wanted to start my video showing my 5 year chart. That this is not what I just making this video all of a sudden because I'm invested in. No, I was a long time investor, which I was all the way to $6 and traded in between this channel throughout the time. And when we broke out that, and there was no coming back, unfortunately. You can clearly see that this is my 5 year chart. Then you can see that we traded below all the time, right? So you can see that this purple line, it is my 60-day EMA. It has been always acted as a big time resistance, and time it got rejected. Now why I am back, because now we are trading above that, right? We're trading above and we testing the 200-day EMA, which is my 200 EMA, which is my pink line. This is my 1 year chart, folks. This is my 1 year. Like I said, I was trading on my showing my 5 year chart. This is the 1 year. You can clearly see it has been traded in between that, and it's kind of came back right now. On the 3 month chart, we gained some momentum. The end of the year, we went high of 0.76. We traded above, and now we are trading in between the channel, kind of roughly in between that, but now above. How 60 days support acting as a support, and the resistance it is over there. And the resistance sitting at 0.55. So right now is 0.54. After market was 0.55. I have not entered yet, or actually I did enter and I sold my shares because I didn't like what my setup was, but now I am coming back again to invest on OCGN. So going back to the 3 month chart, you can clearly see that. I'm going to quickly go look at our 6 month chart, where we were see the pink line, right? The pink line is my 200-day moving average. It was acted as a big time resistance, right? Right here got destroyed. Right here we traded up, couldn't hold, right? And then it kind of what happened is that once those lines got squeezed in, right, which which we broke out, right? Which we broke out, and we went high of 0.76. And then we were trading between that. Right now, we are trading above the pink line, which is our 60-day EMA, and now we got to quickly got rejected. When we went to 0.556, you can clearly see that we got rejected. What do I see for the future holds, right? So I wish I had the crystal ball. I can tell you guys, hey guys, don't worry, we'll be okay. We are going big into the 2018 over $10. I am not seeing that unless the earnings turned out to be good, right? I'm not seeing it, but the 6 months, what I like is those two moving average. So we're gonna draw some key technical side, analysis side on that. So what are we looking at it? I'm gonna quickly go. I'm trying to see which one is the better one because the year to date is not going to be more proficient on that. So 6 months is more beneficial because it has started gaining the momentum. So the 6 months is going to be right up here, that moving average. You can see, right, not making it, not thinking it, acted as our resistance time and time, acted as a supporter time and time, acted as a resistance support. And over here too, it acted as a resistance and a support. Right now, it is going to be the resistance, which I'm going to be 0.58 cents, which is going to be our resistance level, which is the color is gonna be the red. So next level we look at it. What will be the next level coming down will be 0.55. 0.50 cents. It's gonna be our support level if it comes down and holds. The buyers are there, but it's not what I'm like. Still not what are we looking for, right? We had a big jump over here, but then on Friday, um, on the Friday, we didn't made momentum, right? Like la whole week from Monday to Thursday, we had a big move going on OCGN and has a good uptrend going. So I liked it. I liked what I saw so far. But nevertheless, folks, this is a something is brewing up with the stock right now, which is creating some sort of a bull fact soon, and it's gonna be jumping very soon. Not a final, as I said, this is just based on my analysis and technical side, um, and why I'm so excited about it. And even though when we get to 0.76, I thought I missed that run. But I sure know I did because I was patiently waiting. And you can see on the month, it is curling off, right? The buyers has left because they have gained those gains. Now I have left the market, and you can see that on the chart that it is a 0 point right here to be an uptrend. So what I'm going to do is going to make some key levels to draw up for us to see if we stay in between the channel or we're gonna come back to the earth. I hope not. But right here, it is going to be the key level that I want to be looking at it, right? So I'm going to be putting right here to test it out. Is my key level, if it's a breakout coming out or it's going to be a breakdown. Right now I'm seeing it is going to be trading between and there is a breakout because the the patterns doesn't, the technical analysis doesn't lie. Only thing is fundamentals sometimes push it back, but most time the technical side, it is a very solid evidence because you trade on the technicals. You should be know your entry point, what should be an exit point, where you look at it. When I went to Carnival a long time ago, 2 years ago, it was a good gains for me. And I did talk about partition pull up, and sure or not, it did. And I knew there was no future coming back for past 2 years. I know some of you guys not gonna look at me here in this video, not gonna subscribe, folks. This is not what I'm saying. That you always sometimes gotta wait and patiently wait and see when to jump in back again, rather than just making money. Sometimes having money on your portfolio, not investing, you're not losing money. Which that's what I did because I was patiently waiting for those moments to come in and put my alerts, put my notifications. This was the 5 year, right, folks? The 5 year chart uh, was one of the things that I have no idea what I did with my channel, but the 5 year was one of the brutal ones that I ever seen. That it came all the way right up here, and where we traded in between during this time, pandemic times. Now it is trading below. Even the low went at 0.34 cents. That was definitely some people made a great runs, and you can see they got rejected. So this is our magic triangle right here to see if it's going to be breaking out or coming back to it. What I see, it is going to go up on that. So let's see if I was wrong or right. I'm going to do my recap video on the weekend. Right now, it is sitting at 0.54 cents. We are sitting at 54 cents. And what I'm seeing is should be going back to 60 cents very soon during this week. So, nevertheless, folks, hope you guys had a great week. See you guys on next week and do a recap on the video. And stay tuned for more updates as soon as we get some more update. Thank you.